Assalamu alaikum. I am Hafsa, and in this video I will tell you about if you want to arrange items according to their dimensions in a particular file, so how you can do this. Arranging items in a particular order helps you a lot. Like for example, if you want to delete images, rename images or add images, you can easily do this. I'll give you a quick solution. Like in my case, I want only images which have dimension of 850 or 850 above. So I want to filter out the pictures which have dimensions 250 or something like 750, 350 below 850. Okay. So here you have to right click and you will see an option in the dialog box which is sort by, and I hope you are already familiar with this option. So here I want to tell you like how you can use this option to arrange items according to their dimensions in a particular file. So by hovering this option, you will see a dialog box, and here on the last option which is more, click on it. In this window, you will see select the details you want to display for the items in this folder. Okay. Here one thing you will notice that only first 5 options are seen in the menu and rest of the options are hidden. Okay. In this menu, you can select any of the detail according to your requirements. Like you can arrange the items according to their height, according to their name, first name, last name, according to their number, language, anything you want. Okay. But in my case, as I told you, I want to arrange items according to their dimension. So here in the list of character D, you will find dimension. So check it, and here you will see width of the selected column in pixels 270. Okay. So here you can change this number according to your requirements. Then press OK. So here the images are arranged in an ascending order, and you will see the first picture has the lowest dimension, and then as we move forward the dimension increases. Okay. I hope this video helps you a lot. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Happy learning.